Open Excel and get a blank worksheet. We're doing Project 31, data verification, and we're going to do an ISBN checker. Type in an example solution at the top and the following text. If you find your text is not doing the correct thing, click here to select all cells and then make sure everything is left justified, and it'll make things a lot easier for you. We're going to enter in the ISBN number, which is 97814085547. Going to highlight all these. I'd like it to be a bit bigger. 14. I'd like to fill it in yellow, and the last one I'd like to fill in a different colour, green, and I'd like to make it all bold. Control B makes it bold, or you hit this key here. To calculate ISBN, we're going to multiply the first character or digit by 1, multiply the second digit by 2, and the third digit by 3, and so need to enter a formula into this cell to do this calculation, which is going to be equals that cell shift 8 times that cell, and 9 times the 1 is 9. And you go here, equals that cell times that cell, 9 times 12 is 14. I've continued now for the remaining digits. 4 times 9 is 36. Let's calculate the checked digit. Is 7 correct? Well, the first thing we need to do is find the total of all these numbers. Then we're going to divide the total by 11 and use the remainder. It's called the modulus. We divide it by 11. The remainder is the modulus. If you divide a number by 11, you'll get an answer which is either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. It's a single digit answer. Let's work out the total. You type a formula, equals sum, open brackets. Then I've left click on the 9, come all the way across here, and it will highlight the cells B14 to J14. Press enter. If you prefer, you can actually type it in at the top here, equals sum, open bracket, B14 colon J14, close bracket, enter, and you get the total 203. Time for the modulus now. Equals mod, open brackets. We're going to take the total and we're going to divide it by, there's the divide symbol, the divisor, and we're going to divide it by 11. Sorry, we should put a comma, not divided by, comma 11. And what that will do is take the 203 and it will divide it by the 11. Press enter. And the remainder, it will be reported, and the remainder is 5. So, the correct check digit is 5, the incorrect check digit was 7. Time for some annotations now. I'd like to put the word check digit here, and I'd like to insert an arrow. So here we go, insert an arrow. We'll use this type, and just draw your arrow. There it is. If you click on it, you can drag it to where you want. We can make it black. I want to insert an annotation, and I'm going to do it here. I want to make a comment box. So again, insert, choose your shapes, text box, draw a text box here, and in this text box, enter your comment. So I've typed in this comment. Now I want to change the outline of the box. Go to this edge of the box, right click, outline, and I'd like it to be automatically black. Now insert another arrow. So go back here, get some shapes, a simple arrow, and I think we'll drag that to there. Again, if you click on the arrow, or right click on the arrow, outline, set it to be black. You can repeat the exercise for 2 more annotations, or a simple way of doing it is just to copy this box, copy, click here and paste, and edit the box with a new comment, and let's make a comment about the 203 and do the same with copying the arrow. You now see I've added the 2 other comments, and now we've got our ISBN checker completed. You can use this now to check other ISBNs. Try and do this yourself in Excel. I can use all the annotations and make your final spreadsheet look like mine. Create a new folder, remember, in your home folder, and save this solution under an appropriate name. This is the end of project 31.